Talofa lava. My name is Morwenna
and Quincy.
and Quincy. Today we're going to FAFAGA le maile. What's FAFAGA le maile? What is it?
A dog.
A dog. We're going to feed the dog.
Yeah.
So, what do the dogs eat?
They eat bones.
They eat bones. What's bones in Samoa?
It is nothing.
Ponaivi. Can you say that?
Ponaivi.
Yeah. So we're going to count how many ponaivi le maile can eat. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got, what is this one? Tassi.
Tassi. And doggy.
And we have lua.
Oh, Lua.
Then we've got tolu.
Koru.
Then we've got fa.
Fa. Am I allowed to watch TV after this?
Sure, let's finish feeding the dog. Yeah. Lima.
Lima? I know what we're doing here.
What are we doing here?
We're singing Tassi. Laura.
Ono. Are we counting?
Yeah, we are. Bada, 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 bada.
Fitu.
Pitu. Where's Duma at playing? Is Duma sick or something?
Valu.
Why is our playgroup cancelled?
Because the government says we need to stay home. Eva.
Eva.
Sefulu.
Sefulu. Hey, what's my name? Now let me kill it. Now let me. Yay!
Yay! So let's count them again, shall we?
Yeah.
The dog is full now. So we've got Tassi.
Tassi.
Lua.
Lua.
Tolu.
Tolu.
Fa.
Ah.
Lima.
Lima.
Ono. Fitu.
Pitu.
Valu.
Valu.
Eva.
Eva.
Sefulu.
Sefulu.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Say, whaftai lava,
Whaftai lava.
tō whāsoi fua.
We're fast talk.